Asaba ya trade emergency Lady D Diamond Try that's so then come say the Abrewa. If you've just joined us Badwam on Adom TV multi TV so quickly my menfa these reminders into Lisco P belated and your birthday happy birthday Alisco P or a year for Kenya say happy birthday Shonkokra enko Emma Sansona happy birthday Nkoma Madam Stella M Kujo or Cape Coast. The message is so simple. God bless you for whatever you've been doing for us. And us here, Grace, Inshira, Kobe, Abeku, Anna, Frank. Inti, Madam Stella M. Kujo, happy birthday, and Fama. Now to the qualities, core values, necessary Ghanaian, also exhibiting truthfulness, transparency, honesty, patriotism and love for your country is very, very important. Truthfulness, transparency, patriotism, love for your country, and honesty is very, very important. These are the qualities you need to continuously exhibit. And MRMF, the Ahafo pledge, me now they are showing Mama Hene Kwabna Sante, me Alex Badwam, me Yakubu Chipsa, me Alisco P, me Achinswa Hema Papebi. Me House of Chiefs President Afo Yamfo Hene Papebi me Osei Kofi or my Hene Papebi Kenya say 1 and 2 or deno in Siabe also Papebi you know Munina Muya Papebi under the able leadership of George Boache regional minister ably supported by the lieutenants a potential presidential candidate from our region Eric Opoku Nimnyamfo your wisdom port Alaji Collins Dauda your almighty Frida Prempe one of our finest MPs, Deputy Minister Sports, Bobie, hard-working young man, Dr. Benjamin, and after a year, for Bano. This is the team, pushing the agenda for the Ahafo, a bigger dream. No? Into your Afunibia, wherever you find yourself, be a proud Ahafonian, be able to be so help me God. Very, very important. And your media, the Munyamni can conin cranche. Any asetinemu nyoma papa ebe brahafo aneze odieche Priscilla why the free ahafo or adepam no obon homode man trasa no na code ni yesen adepam no mamenka season 2 of adepam no afuni no the modern bono konkan yi party 26 to aba Priscilla dachi Vodafone anaman otimia esiso ma me details of ahafuni no na yetoma no na yeton no for the ade bi fra for bia ye papa o hwe ade pa mi kra de ye koso na o hwe nioma ne kon fa so pempam wa Adom TV so a o dwiru o de hwe hafo ni follow the hafo guy say de si fa so pam nioma ne hare so hwe ne finishing nti enche bia me de number mo de betimi a text ya to ama ne mo no o ya hafo ni ati hafo ni wo competition we mu bi ti me sire mo ni mra ho na muntimi ehu de mo ye nyina na ya mo ahafo na ahafo ntimi nkonti adepam season 2 no se ya tu ni nko ade ahafo de share na ebe ka ni fo bi go ni madwuma ne ye dada adutu mo amro sa papa bi machi well mamenka say ni kwatai Titus Glover Daniel ne eka chiri woni dinim di Daniel ni kwatai Titus Glover mamencha na pay ohia kanena oyemashi bedwani kanena oye deputy minister so nanko ko president MPP amanyu ko so national organizer eka ko ne bre nanka chese odu ho anesa nti isi oye MPP ni mapa our do party that to the party na chi eboa party ni wo na dwinchirim na ho odin na sikasemu ene ni bibia emena kwaba ira tase kwaba
korami joso what is that
o nyame adom
bibia musia na meneji
bibia ya moko
me fa konya wesu na mechia mwahwefo ene tifo nyina no pay say ene 15th of August in 2 weeks time it will be my birthday which is 28th of August
in 2 weeks
28 my birthday na multimedia meka se me si mu se me koye campaign for national organizer no. Me ba wonaso. Me ba Adom, me ba sempa. Na me de ma sempa nyina ebetu manim. Me nia so yi papa. Last week, me share my media engagement after 1 month break after the elections. Party di ebe koso asom. But me to me tina video we so and kase dia mo yema me menin so. Me nia so yi papa. Results of the election ne kire say ye dwuma yi papa. But unfortunately I did not get to the ultimate. And ti mami fa kwenya we so na me ndam wase papa. Wankasa any mo team ewo Adom television. Adom FM, the entire team, Asempa, CJ, Hassan, Fojo, any including the powerful afternoon platform. Ekusi say, menya so ye papa. Na mean that delegates. We say bibi mo sharing. Mean that delegates. All the regional 16 regions, 276 constituencies, overseas branches. Founders, patrons, elders, everybody. Many so. Maybe ye do idea. I was saying, ye kaya boom. Ni enye jumading kwa be faswa. Ye di bako 2024. Ye di akodin konim. Intemanda basi.
Na opati mboko yeshe da CP say we grateful. Na we appreciate the little that we really contribute.
Of course, I do.
Until that's it. We still move in unison, absolutely, hoping that bigger opportunities are ahead.
I will have a pledge in the I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. You being an ambassador of the Afro region.
We have to.
I'm so enthused about it.
We are doing this to encourage Obia Free Krubia so be proud because I also they are your parents.
Yeah.
Whether they are mad, whether they are sick, whether they are poor.
There's no way.
You know, so whether I have for your papa and your papa, that is where I come from. So if your papa, how do I contribute towards it? Very good. So I say, papa, how do I push it more? So Obia free baby, never be ashamed. Say me free, and sure because we are there, we fap him the free. Yeah, pie we dear any year. Ever be I have one of my intimate. A lot of Ghanaians are more baby I'm free. Na a problem for me.
No.
Yeah.
But I say me do.
Yeah.
If any saying, as soon as for South. Kukum.
Yeah.
First round, second round, and I'm a call. Gosso.
Yeah.
I'm a share as soon as for North and South. Sensitive North and South. Four.
Yeah.
And all the baby I'm a kunyina conscious be an amitre. My mommy message we are me trust etiom their concerns, their challenges. I note everything. And one major issue about Afro is their roads.
Thank God, I think, sir. For us,
from Kukum, Echo, if it is saying, oh, this popular town. Almost before election, Eddie, machine basis is
what is happening now is that
now
Newmont Adaroma ably collaborating with the current administration that a year of Amakwata watch no. Now Omoni Kofijo Bewia Washasi just or yet from Kenya to Hwidim. The assurance is that Alex Badwam so be diversion now mobile for front Newmont new site no. The promise which is grounded because of Newmont relationship is that all other relevant roads within the Afro enclave and they've demonstrated it by Kofi Joba, Waba, site or Jumana. So
from Kukum to Kenya.
So I'm believing that Akwambia Atosimbia Wahafubiano, as they've started with Hwidim
from
Kenya.
So all the way to
all other major roads so it should be tackled or it will be tackled.
Because Ushe Achirezwa from
very
so bad.
Very
Achirezwa all the way to I drove through those roads. I drove through those roads.
Yeah,
from Gosso through Achirezwa, Ediba.
The worrying aspect is if you not a contractor for also. If you was a contractor for no reason, most of the reasons we know, financial reasons. they've stepped out. But I can't say of our even this morning. Yes, I spoke to him and I told me catch and say, "Sika ni ho ebreti sebo." But capital intensive projects, road construction, all over.
And into your discussion where
yeah.
The fact that the country is going through a lot of challenges, government commitment.
No, for road sector,
and Amakota has been so phenomenal.
I told him, because
my in-law has been so phenomenal. One of the ministers that
is tackled and lot of the roads.
Is Amakota.
Yeah. For Uba Hacho, also Hacho Kwan.
Yeah.
And also UPSC.
Beach road all over the fantastic
every region.
And clearly, I mean, we can even start discussion on the subject of topic now. And then say crippling economy.
Okay, so I will turn crippling economy around. Akufo-Addo, the president of the land.
Sebi. It's here for me. The fact is, say we are going through some challenges.
And that's just to add up to probably move actually can say in your Bema Adom Magbena about the cancer. The other aspect I've been told yesterday, I read something that was said Miaminia Kuma Evans Mensa and I say, is it a miracle that times are tough, economies are bleeding, but our lights are stable? So how are we going about
you
it?
See, you know, that is the good side of this government. Na na me shed their NDC for because they felt said their inflation got 31%. Then Yamamusi aye din near their identity and the Ghana yes I'm from because it is playing to their advantage. And yentro mamu and yesa. The fact say inflation akosoro and nemamu heading. Abeduma Governor, what is it? Busume dua yenchomokada. Have you ever lived to hear say end of the month government payroll do my phone njomoka ebi see that say kania esiswo endum ye say dum kra e bia na ton chima kakra bi e wo baabi you understand say ye bedum no na ye ko ye wadwuma ama light ye adwuma and we know the role and the contribution of energy in the running of this economy ya dia e wo say didi akrokra e wo kromwa so the lights are still on. The manufacturing sector services are ongoing. Education. They are still at school. So clearly, the fact that the economy is challenged does not mean that government is running away. Projects are being in Sakabiano a typical example of this beach road.
Yeah.
Sakumono beach road. All the way. We are doing roads, what do you call it? Funny saying flyover. Well, barrier. It is going on there. Uber UPSC.
We should also acknowledge say Alhaji Abbas has been very instrumental.
Now he has moved from urban roads director to the chief director of the ministry.
Yeah, he has been very instrumental. And then Christian Inti. Highways,
chief executive.
Yeah, almost these two.
You see, when you have a good synergy,
I think they've also.
You see, when you have chief executives. I was one of. Maybe I'm a deputy minister. Young man, how are you? Maybe I'm a deputy minister for transport.
Yeah.
And maybe I'm a parliament. Na senior su eba yenya wa kapako. Na Alhaji Abbas jani. And I call this is on record. And I'm catching it say, so per se succeeding in the Ministry of Roads and Highways. You shouldn't throw away Alhaji Abbas. Me catching. Or no, on fan the Juma and Fendia.
You know, Alhaji is good.
So long as one money task with the KPIs on your Jumano and no better.
Alhaji is good. So wherever you are,
Alhaji
Abbas.
Doc, I salute you.
Engineer Christian Inti. These two people, fantastic. You are some public civil servant, or more boy, Juma Gidi. Others, so there, almost shegu from and but so you have been dealing with, you know, Adom fracture. Remember, you see, we've been dealing with a certain thing in this country. They blame political figures, and then the politicians like my good selves, for a minor progress in terms of corruption. You know, what we have refused to do is that we should tackle corruption with us as a people, not as a certain group of people. There's a certain canker, customs, GRA, immigration, Ghana police, state entities. We will not tackle because any attempt to tackle these things, for political whatever reasons or whatever. Until we get to that point, if you read what some custom members, if you experience what some custom people, GRA people, and immigration people, people placed at the airport, national security people, the BNI, now NIB people, if you read and see and experience what some do to aid corruptible acts and being corrupted themselves, you're worrying.
Kobran, I agree with you.
Worrying.
Currently, we are having serious challenge with domestic revenue generation. And people who have been put in responsible offices to superintend the collection of domestic revenues, some are found wanting. Minka way to generalize the activities and the workings of some hard-working custom officers in some of these entry points. Some are also, like Senator Wokano, conniving with certain individuals and certain institutions to deny the state the required revenue. I was saying, and then the Abani said, "Yeah, Obibia, that will be fun. Want to be I was saying, but I'm happy, say,
yeah,
the Ecosonia, Yani, a Fakwa, Befaswa, Edibiyejuma. But I think last week there have been some discussion ongoing about my big sister, about, you see, containers beer, the taxes that she's supposed to pay, and Mekaba Labianca. This is a woman who in a month can import close to over 200 boxes. Who share Juma all year the contribution of revenue that she generates into the economy. Very huge. We should Ghana for one month Juma or more year. Now customs, when you year Juma, they give discounts. They give rebate. So long as you regularly pay your duty. And if for some reason, Nase Ebia duty was otia, Nase duty needs to akos whatever. The discount man, it was a genuine. She applied for it. And a yedi man. Or applied for discount. Do you know Banyano Yanya Samfamano, any man, I think 5% or something. 5% of discount. Papa. Office of Special Prosecutor said, Debbie, the Oyeno, swap, and Wasakum, with ya. She's good to go. But let us know, say, Mammy and Fama meaning go to Bozo, ye bonus warning to attack. I totally disagree. For anybody who want to attack this woman, she's doing a genuine business, she pays her duty, her taxes regularly, every day. But
there's too much connivance in the setup.
You understand?
That will make the woman look bad.
You understand?
But just like you're saying.
For me.
If we don't also streamline what is right, some custom officers will write on the back of innocent business people, like you're saying, to make the woman rather look evil in the sight of Ghanaians.
I agree with you.
So, yeah, two more money for no. So,
I agree with you. On time, we cannot generalize a custom for Sebi. There are hard working. I know some custom officers who are doing so well. Target beer Dimobia. And let me commend my big brother Damwa too. Kane Damwa retired for the hard work that he has led, including the Commissioner General.
But he was unnecessarily emotional when he was addressing the matter. When we do commendations, no. When we attain certain office, say certain standards there. I'm saying that when we attain certain substance, a president appoints, in collaboration with all of us, his stakeholders, Office of the Special Prosecutor. Anybody who gets to that office, Agbana gets to be the Special Prosecutor for Ghana. How do you refer to Agbana as a small boy? As he sits here representing the interests of a major political party with a position. You need to revere him. That the party believes in him. In this case, Ghana believes in that man. So you cannot refer to somebody holding such a position.
Clearly
we have to point it out to him. Only power be out.
Listen.
only power to refer an office mandated by Ghana. No, but we did 91 years, no control office of a special prosecutor.
Oh, Cobra,
we appreciate and acknowledge hard work. I'm saying, say, but Obi Albert Ghana, we need to encourage. You know, Agbana has suffered. The likes of Agbana or more MPP also have suffered in terms of age. Adom Mpensenpensemu 92, and then you have access to certain political office or whatever. Is that what we want to do in this country?
Are you now discussing with us? when you lead, you might acquire that will contribute. As I said,
so you want to title?
No, what I'm saying, you lead the discussion for us. But you know what we don't do that. I'm not in London. You know, I just want to admit that Colonel slipped in that area. The fact that OSP is a young man. We need to encourage the young, you know, to bring them up to speed, encourage them to do their best. I said,